Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Hope everyone is doing good. Today we will be talking about user testing. A lot of us want to have some extra cash in our pockets while with the comfort of home. This platform is very powerful. It gives you opportunity to earn money with no additional skills. I have tried it myself. I've tried user testing for 3 months and I made $900. I do not kid you guys. I made $900 in just 40 days. This is a very powerful tool. It has a lot of contributors network who contribute and take tests on a daily basis and earn a lot of money. Now, while you are new to the channel, I will request you to subscribe, like, share, and do tell us what you want from our future videos. My aim is to bring such videos to the masses so that everyone can have a decent earning opportunity in their lives. So, user testing. Before I begin, let's get something straight. This is not a full-time job. It's a job that allows you to earn some extra cash. That's it. However, if you do this right, if you do this correctly and follow all the rules that user testing lays out, I'm sure you will earn more than $900 a month. And this can be done. I have proofs. I have tried it for myself and for my friends as well. So let's understand what user testing actually is. Well, user testing is a platform that allows individual contributors to test the beta or the upcoming versions of different platforms or applications hosted by major companies or tech giants. So on the screen you can see that user testing works with various companies including Canva, HP, Subway, Microsoft. And their aim is very simple. They partner with these firms. These firms will ask user testing to host their demo on their site, and the contributors will take a quick screener before going to the test. I hope that is clear. So how can you get actually paid via user testing? Before I go there, let me show you some details. So this is the portal that you guys are actually greeted with once you are in the user testing portfolio, and let me show you how much I made. So guys, here you see I made $957 and I took 78 tests, and the whole history is just for 36 days. That's it. And you can see this tool is so powerful that it can allow you to earn as much as you want. All you need to do is be sincere, be practical, and follow all the guidance that user testing lays out. There are certain key rules to it. Number one, and let me quickly tell you what all those rules are. Now let's quickly see what all you need to focus while performing these tests. You need to see and adhere to certain guidelines that user testing lays out for its contributors to follow while performing these tests or during the journey of pursuing user testing. Most of the people who do follow all these requirements correctly are able to earn big bucks through user testing. However, a lot of people, and when I say a lot, I mean 90% of the people who fail at user testing miss out on following either one or many code of ethics or conduct that user testing lays out as a platform. It is very important, guys, that you follow each and every code of conduct laid out by user testing. Let's quickly dive into it and see what are the code of conducts that user testing wants its contributors to follow. Here I am. So this is the blog that you can read I'll put it in the links below. You can check out the description area of this video. So first, you need to be at least 18 years old to pursue this. No matter where you are, what country you belong to, you should be 18 years while performing these tests. Make sure that you do not forge or perform or do anything with your age. If you are less than 18 years, please try it once you are 18. If you are above 18 years, you are good to go. Second, make sure that you just have one account. It is very important to ensure that you guys have just one account, simply because if you have multiple accounts and you pursue tests from multi accounts, then user testing will catch you. As I said, this is a very powerful tool. So they use AI, they use artificial intelligence to make sure that which person is doing or pursuing tests from multiple accounts. Do not make that mistake. A lot of people do that just because they are greedy. Don't be greedy. The third and very important part here is keep your profile information up to date. It is very important to keep your profile information up to date. Let me show you why. So this is my profile. What all information I have given here to make user testing aware that what I am capable of. Now here are a lot of things that you need to keep in mind. First, please do not mention anything that you aren't aware of, simply because you wanted to take many options so that you get tests faster. That won't work. You will be kicked out in a screener, or even if you qualify the screener, you will be not paid or rated very low while the user testing reviews your content. So do not do that mistake. Make sure that you only take all the devices that you currently have or possess. Do not mention any other device that you do not have. It will just waste an opportunity in the backend for user testing, and it won't be helpful at all. It is very good to write down all the languages you know. If you are well versed with English and other languages, for example Spanish, German and French, it will be really important because you will get more tests in comparison to the person who just knows either English or French or German or any of the above two, right? So make sure you put out all the skills that you have correctly. It is very important to make sure that you are very honest while filling out the profile, because the way you design your profile will reflect what kind of tests will be given to you to pursue. Let's also talk about how will you pursue test. So whenever you are on the user testing portal, you will have a portal like this, and whenever you log in, maybe you'll have a bunch of tests waiting for you to perform screener, or it will be looking something like this. Whenever you get a test, you will have to do a screener for that. The screener will look something like this. It will ask you a bunch of questions to make sure that you are capable enough to pursue the test, and the person who is hosting the test is confident enough to make sure that whatever you put as a review is helpful for their research. So make sure that you do not lie in these tests, in this screener test, just because you want to pursue the test. Make sure that you are very honest here, simply because if you perform poorly in a test and you are rated low, there will be lesser chances of you getting tests in the future with a low rating than the person who has no rating at all. So make sure that you are very honest at all times while performing such screeners, right? So guys, this was a very short video. In this video, I did not detail about what are different kind of tests, what are different strategies to do this test, how you can amplify your rating. I have not touched on these basics in this video, simply because I wanted to give you a taste of how the success in user testing looks like. Now, I will be waiting in my comments to see What are your requests for the next video? What do you want me to work on? What do you want me to present to you in the next video? I will take your suggestions and make the next week video according to what your requirements are. So feel free to drop in comments your feedback about this video. It will really help the channel. And also, if you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. This video can be helpful to all the people who you share with. Everyone has a chance to earn money via user testing.